Hi guys, I want to show you this Zenit EM camera that I have. Gonna take it out from the box. I mean the casing. Alright, so this is the front. One side, the other side, the top, and the bottom. Okay, so the light meter works. Now I'm gonna show you guys the shutter itself. I'm gonna show you. Let's do 500 shutter. Okay. Sorry, just now was not 500. Okay, now it's 500. Okay. Now 250. Okay. Now 125. Now it's 60. Now it's flash mode, 1/30. Now we're gonna do bulb mode. Okay, right. So all shutter speeds work, and yeah, if you like this camera, you can reach out to me. I can sell it to you. And if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.